Hi, I'm Selena, with 20 years of teaching and a test prep expert with Study.com. I'm here to help you succeed on the FTCE Physics 6 through 12 032 exam, Knowledge of Modern Physics. In this series, we will break down important topics like quantum mechanics, relativity, and atomic models into simple, clear lessons. Let's get started. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, if the uncertainty in position decreases, what will happen to the uncertainty in momentum? A, it will decrease. B, it will remain constant. C, it cannot be determined. Or D, it will increase. A, if position uncertainty goes down, momentum certainly must go up. B, the uncertainties are connected. One changing affects the other. C, it can be determined. The uncertainty principle gives a clear rule. The correct answer is D. It will increase. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, the product of the uncertainties in the position and momentum of a particle is always greater than or equal to a constant. So if the uncertainty in position decreases, the uncertainty in momentum must increase for the product to remain above this constant. This principle arises from the wave-like properties of particles in quantum mechanics. Which atomic model is the most accurate and currently accepted model? A, Bohr's model. B, Rutherford's model. C, Thomson's model. Or D, electron cloud model. A, Bohr's model shows electrons in fixed orbits, which isn't accurate for all atoms. B, Rutherford's model showed a nucleus but didn't explain electron behavior well. C, Thomson's model treated electrons like plums in a positive pudding, which is outdated. The correct answer is D. The electron cloud model, also known as the quantum mechanical model, is the most accurate and currently accepted model of the atom. Based on the principles of quantum mechanics, this model suggests that we cannot know the exact location of an electron, but can only predict the regions in which electrons are likely to be found. The model replaced earlier models like Thomson's plum pudding model, Rutherford's model, and Bohr's model, which did not fully explain the behavior of electrons in an atom. What happens when light striking a metal surface with a frequency high enough to trigger the photoelectric effect has its frequency increased even further? A, electrons are emitted with higher kinetic energy. B, electrons are no longer emitted. C, positrons start being emitted along with the electrons. Or D, the number of emitted electrons increases. B, increasing frequency above the threshold still causes electrons to be emitted. C, positrons are not emitted in the photoelectric effect. D, the number of electrons depends on light intensity, not frequency. The correct answer is A. In the photoelectric effect, when light of a frequency higher than the threshold frequency striking a metal surface has its frequency increased even further, electrons are emitted with higher kinetic energy. The excess energy from the light that has had its frequency increased is transferred to the kinetic energy of the emitted electrons. The number of electrons emitted is related to the intensity, not the frequency of the light. Which type of radiation has the greatest positive charge? A, beta minus. B, gamma. C, alpha. D, beta plus. A, beta minus particles have a negative charge, not positive. B, gamma rays have no charge at all. D, beta plus particles have a +1 charge, less than alpha's +2. The correct answer is C. Alpha radiation has the greatest positive charge of the options because it consists of helium nuclei, which have 2 protons. This gives them a charge of +2e, whereas a beta plus particle only has a charge of +e. The other 2 options either have a negative charge or no charge. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions on the FTCE Physics 6 through 12 032 exam. knowledge of modern physics. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Physics 6 through 12 032 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Physics 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.